Okay, so let's look at getting Final Cut Pro assets into KeyFlow Pro. So here I am in Final Cut Pro. I've got a couple of libraries open here. They've got various different types of assets in them, different keywords and stuff, different shooting dates, all sorts of different things in here. I can get all of my tagging and my logging data from Final Cut Pro back to KeyFlow Pro just simply by dragging a library into KeyFlow Pro like that. And KeyFlow Pro imports the Final Cut Pro library and shows me all of the assets in there. And I can do various things to this. I can then add these assets to different projects. I can apply workflows to these assets in order to move them. But I can also, quite importantly, take another Final Cut Pro library. If you've bought the extra expansion pack in KeyFlow Pro that allows you to have more than one Final Cut library open at one time, I can then select this tab here. Now that allows me to search across multiple Final Cut Pro libraries. Now that's something that you can't really do inside of Final Cut Pro. I can select a clip like that. Let's say this little clip of this little dog here, and you can see all of my metadata there. There's a favorite there applied. Not only that, I can actually select my libraries here, and I can click up here on this little magnifier here, and I can search for titles or tags. If I choose annotations there, I can search for, let's type in drone, type OK, and those are all the shots with a drone keyword on. So I could then apply a workflow to those. I could drag those to a different project. The actual number of possibilities is almost infinite. It's up to you what you do. So very, very versatile. That's Final Cut Pro libraries inside of KeyFlow Pro.